Hi, my name is Molly Denham, and I am CEO of Vexa Software and the creator of Vast. I'm a business administrative professional just like you, and I have over 30 years experience as an executive assistant. I created Vast to fill a void found in the resources we are asked to use to complete our everyday tasks. Tell me if any of these resonate with you. You spend great care and time putting event details in the notes or description area of the calendar, text or email these details, and still get a frantic call from your executive 5 minutes before the event saying they can't find any of these details. How about resending a meeting request or social invite to your executive for the third time to put it at the top of their email list because it's been buried under all the other email requests? And all you want is a simple yes or no response. Or finally, what about this? Spending time you don't have trying to find that vehicle information you used 5 months ago to get a VIP parking pass for someone you just found out is visiting your facility in 20 minutes. I used to have each of these problems and more, but Vast has completely changed my work dynamic with my executive. There are precious few resources out there specifically for our unique administrative needs. I know Vast can help you because it was designed for EAs by an EA. Go to vastcsuite.com to register for your free trial today and start controlling your executive's chaos.